The Coco. The Coco. Oh, I like Coco. Coco. I like Coco. Oh. Whoa.
This is what he wants to see.
The cabinets?
Yeah.
They're nice.
Oh, that's too big. The Cocos. Yes.
No, you can't get down.
Shh, Gabi, be quiet.
Wow.
Oh, the tile is done.
You have to hold on your pen to see. Look at the ceiling, Gabi.
Whoa.
Pretty.
I saw that already.
Did you stare, Nathan? Can we go upstairs?
Yeah.
So, are we moving in here?
Yes, Cuckoo's gonna buy this house for us.
That's why he's building it for me. We can go up the stairs?
Yeah, go.
See?
You can go anywhere.
You know your hand, please. Dangerous. You gotta go up the stairs.
Go, Gabi, go. Come on, we're filming. We're filming. I don't know how many seconds. What? I'm not getting your butt. No one's looking at your butt.
Wow. Gabi, look. Come on.
Wow.
Something different in the bathroom?
Wow, look at the bathtub.
Wow. The bathtub. The bathtub.
Oh my god, look at all the closet space.
Open it and you'll die.
Wow. Yeah.
I open it.
Push. I thought you push, I don't know.
Oh, washer? There?
Yeah.
Another bathroom? Another bathtub? I love this tile. Oh, they put a cutout in it. I love that. Only 3 bedrooms?
This is going to be a big
I have
fun.
4 bedrooms.
There's nothing new up here.
1, 2, 3, 4 bedrooms. Oh.